he was totally dissatisfied because there was no exact treatment. There was mixture. We will read about mixture in introduction and all sort of practice of olden days, that bloodletting, that leeches. Hahnemann grew dissatisfied, and not only dissatisfied, he was searching for something. From 83 to 1790, okay, he was searching for real cure, real method. He was in desire. So one lesson we are getting from this: you have first and foremost step to any success. You need to have a desire. Okay, to become a good homeopath, to become a good physician, you need to have a desire to become. First, the burning desire. If you examine the life history of all the great men, okay, what led Gautam Buddha from Kapilvastu, the kingdom of Kapilvastu, to go and roam in jungles, to roam here and there in the towns? That was a dissatisfaction. That was a desire. And finally he attended his satisfaction in the Gaya. He attended that Gyan. Same thing happens with Hahnemann. This is only one example. There are lots of examples where a great man in the history got dissatisfied with the prevalence culture, with the prevalence mode in their field. So Hahnemann became dissatisfied, and there was a desire to do something.